food lovers, welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, that's Jackson, this is Presley, and today we're gonna be mixing up some poke, salmon poke. Delicious recipe, easy to make, and it's also fast. So if you love poke, make sure you try this recipe out, all right? This recipe came from my cousin, and we love it. So if you like it, make sure you push the like button, consider subscribing, and make sure you share this video. All right, thank you. Let's get to cooking. Let's go.